out at Excite GP round 1, and we've got the booth set up. Everything you'd ever need from Freak, ever want, ever need. We got t-shirts, we got stickers. You know, we'll be at round 2, don't worry if you miss it this time. I'm gonna go try to shoot a Freak of the Week right now and leave it as a surprise for you guys. It's a new car that I haven't seen in person yet. I've seen pictures and videos, but I've seen his old car. His old car, you guys have probably seen plenty of times, but this is the first time me seeing his new car. Really interesting, really cool car. So let's go see if we can get an interview with him. We are here with the Sideways Sheriff. I'm sure you guys have seen his last car, but this is the first time I've seen his new car in person, so check it out. What's your name? What's your car, man?
Yeah, so I'm Austin Bates, known as the Sideways Sheriff. This is my second car. This is my competition car. It is a 4.6 Mustang, 2007. It has a supercharger on it, makes all the horsepower. So it's basically the same concept.
So what's the story behind the car? Where did you get it from? How long have you had it?
Yeah, so I've had this car maybe almost half a year now, maybe going on into a year. And I got it from a buddy of Tim's, Tim Wallace, and his Mustang. We rode together a bunch in our old Mustangs. And I told him I was looking for a car that I could use for competition, had a bunch of power, and he knew a guy with a Mustang. So went, looked at it. It was at his shop, Tim's shop, and picked it up. And then all I did was wrap the doors and the roof, put a fleece light on there, and
Hell yeah. It was already black?
Yeah.
Already black.
Luckily, both the cars I had were black, so it just kind of worked out. You know?
Yeah.
Just put the white on there and made it easy.
Hell yeah. So what are you doing for, what angle is on it?
Yeah, so it had custom knuckles on there, just cut, welded, and Ford Performance A-arms. And it gave me a little bit, and then I upgraded to the FDF Fab Mantis kit. Gives me a lot of angle, like 60, 65 degrees, and that puts the car perfect pretty much.
Yeah.
And it's got BC Racing coilovers on it, a whole bunch of undercarriage stuff. I mean, basically everything. It's got a different axle in it, 410 gears, one-piece aluminum drive shaft.
Dang,
it's
really?
pretty much set up for the track, and always has been. The car has 11,000 miles.
Really?
Miles.
That's it?
Yep. So
11,000. Is it all track miles?
I don't know. The guy I bought it from only tracked it. I'm the third owner. So the first guy bought it, made it a track car. Second guy was drifting it, and then I'm drifting it now.
Wow.
So,
and what year is it?
It's a 2007.
2007 with only 11,000 miles on it.
I think it's 11.5 now.
That's crazy.
I've been driving. It was 11.3 when I had it.
That's crazy.
So I put a little bit on it, just drifting.
Yeah,
so.
That's awesome. Do you mind if we look under the hood?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the Paxton 2200. I'm making somewhere around 10 to 15 pounds of boost. It's hard. I never look down at the gauge. I'm always looking up. But, yeah,
That's funny.
It's good.
Do you know how much power you're making, or do you want to keep that a secret?
It's about 500 to the wheels.
Okay.
I'm running on 110 race gas.
Okay.
So Basically, all it's done to it is the supercharger, the fuel system, things like that. Nothing crazy like a cam or built internals. It's kind of a stock block.
Yeah.
It's pushing out quite a bit of power.
Yeah.
Just enough for me.
Yeah, yeah. How much was your last Mustang making?
My last one dynoed at 207.
Yeah. So it's a little bit of an upgrade.
Yeah,
a little bit of an upgrade.
I kept both up. I still have the old one, and I'm going to run most fun days or iTrack days in that old car because this one's expensive. Running 255s to 275 tires,
yeah.
And then the race gas, which is $10 a gallon.
Yeah.
So this one is just for competition. Although I've been trying to get comfortable in it, so I've been at a couple of hot laps and everything. But yeah, after this, I'm pretty much just going to be Excite and other competitions.
Yeah. So anything special about the interior, or just straight to the cage?
So yeah, the interior just has the basic stuff. I mean, it's not like completely gutted. The dash still works, the light still works, blinkers, even the automatic windows still work.
Really? Still got the windows in it?
Yeah, and I'm probably going to take them out because Mustangs are heavy as it is.
Yeah.
And then the doors are probably like 100 pounds.
Really? Yeah.
And even my old car, I did the door card thing, and that saves a bunch of weight. The only thing different is I put the Code 3 police controller in there.
Of course.
So that the lights work.
So where do you get all that stuff from?
I look on Facebook a lot of times, and people have them. I don't know where they get them, but
I guess
they have
police auctions or something.
Yeah, and then I think this one's my third one. I've got a spare one for parts, and then I've got one on the old car, which is red and blue, and then this one, which is all blue.
Yeah, I noticed that this one's a little bit different.
Yep.
So where did the sideways sheriff idea come from?
So we watched. I watched a video. It was Dan Brockett, and he had a New Edge Mustang, and he did a YouTube video for Icon, and he was chasing motorcycles out in the desert.
Okay, yeah.
And it looked really cool. It was same setup, black and white, cop car and everything, and I was like, man, that's awesome. And then I started looking for drift cars, ended up getting a New Edge Mustang, and it was just black and ugly. Nobody cared about it. And I was like, you know what? Let's just paint the doors white. And we ended up wrapping them and make it a cop car. And I wanted to be a little bit different, so it's the sheriff instead of police like his. I didn't want to copy him exact, but I based it off of that, largely.
Yeah.
And that's kind of how it happened. I wanted to stand out a little bit, and I thought it was neat.
Yeah.
And it's always fun, even at drift events. I've met people that are like, hey, can you chase me? Because they want to get videos or pictures.
Yeah.
So it's been really cool.
How many times do you get like little kids coming up and going, oh, look, a cop car?
I'm really surprised, man. The kids really love it. They always come up, and this one doesn't have a siren, but the old one has a siren, and I let them hit the siren and everything, and they take pictures with it. That's probably my favorite part. Is when the kids come up because they see it and they really like it. You know, so.
You planning to put a siren on this one?
I don't know if I will. I might.
Weight savings?
Yeah, the sirens, man, they are heavy. They're like 50 pounds.
Really?
It's crazy.
Man.
Yeah, they're big. They came with the bracket.
Okay.
But they're hard to find.
Okay, gotcha.
I got lucky when I found the one. I found the whole system on Facebook Marketplace for the old car.
That's
funny. This one I only have the lights. So.
Yeah.
But yeah, this one being the competition car, I don't know if I will run the siren.
Yeah. So you said it's got a different rear end in it. What is it?
Yeah, it is. It's a stock Mustang rear end, but it has a limited slip differential, the 410s. It's got different, I don't remember exactly where they came from, but sway bars.
Sway bars, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, so it's got stiffened sway bars, adjustable sway bars too.
Okay, gotcha.
So you can kind of it's run pretty stiff.
Yeah.
I like the car. Stiff is predictable.
Okay,
yeah,
okay, gotcha.
That's front and back. Makes it real good.
Yeah, I've always heard some people like no sway bars at all and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah,
so
sometimes the angle kits don't allow for sway bars.
Oh, okay.
And you have to take them off. Like I took the sway bar off the front when I did the angle kit. I have to put it back on. It was just in the way. It wasn't angled right. So it doesn't have a sway bar on there now, and it's okay running. The BC Racing coilovers they have
make it a little
stiff.
Yeah,
so it's not too bad. But yeah, I definitely like sway bars.
Gotcha. Brimbos are Brimbos stock?
No, so yeah, Brimbos are not stock. And we're running hot pads front and back, even for the handbrake. It's a Cool Road Works handbrake system. Actually, K1 put it in.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay.
He put it in before I bought the car.
Yeah.
It's actually funny because I looked through some of his Instagram photos and I saw it. I was like, man, that's my car now. And then even before I came to Talladega, I was trying to get a feel of the track layout, watching YouTube videos, and I saw the Mustang before I had it. It was back when the rims were gold.
Yeah.
And it was just black, and I saw it drifting here, and I was like, oh, that's neat. So like
that is cool.
Ago,
dang, 5 years ago?
Before I was here.
So this thing's been drifting for 5 years at least?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, they put it up for a little while before I bought it. I don't know. He was going to do Pro-Am in it, and then he never did. He was an older gentleman.
Gotcha.
And wasn't going to do it anymore, so sold it to me.
Heck yeah. It's pretty cool. I'm guessing there's no sort of kit on it or anything.
No, it's a stock.
Stock body.
Yeah.
Which shows your last one, so.
Yeah, and it's easier that way. Actually, the only difference, I have a stock metal fender here, and then that's a fiberglass fender because I was on a TV show recently. Hasn't aired yet, but I ended up getting damaged up here.
Yeah.
And had to replace the fender, and I didn't have time before, I think it was the Hot Lap event, to buy the fiberglass fenders that are on, so I just put the stock fender back on.
Yeah, but is it stock fiberglass or is it
no, it's
a little bit wider? A little bit wider? Oh, okay, yeah.
It's a little wider. It's got this little vent thing.
Oh, okay.
You don't ever know it until like you look at it.
Yeah.
But it's kind of funny. So I haven't really cared to buy the fenders yet because it works.
Yeah, it works. If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
This is a big damage spot.
Oh yeah.
You know, I messed up quite a few fenders and hoods on my other one, so I keep it stock so I can just go to a junkyard and pick up one.
Yeah.
Because Mustangs are in every junkyard.
Yeah. So I'm guessing eventually maybe you'll plan to go stock all around.
Yeah, it depends on how like clutch kickers competition and stuff like that goes.
Okay.
And if I'm starting to damage them,
yeah,
I'll just do stock. If not, I'll put the fiberglass back on because they are much lighter. So as long as I'm not like wrecking a lot, I'll do fiberglass. But if I'm constantly having to do it, I'll just do the stock fenders.
Are you doing clutch kickers next weekend?
No, I probably won't do clutch kickers this year.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, next year I'm definitely full course. You know, the car's pretty much ready to go now. I've been changing a few things here and there, trying to get it to be right. And so next year I'll be doing clutch kickers and hopefully Pro-Am.
Hell yeah, that'd be cool.
Anything special?
Yeah, other than the Supercharger, but that's pretty much straightforward, right?
This is funny. When I park somewhere, I like to open the hood, and everyone likes to come. You know, I just look because it's something you don't see every day.
Yeah, for sure.
Know? So it usually draws a crowd. Everyone likes to come and start talking about it.
Yeah.
You know?
I'm guessing it's a stock motor, stock block, other than fuel system, you said?
Pretty much,
That's pretty cool.
Supercharger and the fuel system. That's pretty much it. And 410s.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That's really where the power comes. It's got a stock transmission in it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's done good so far.
Heck yeah.
You know?
Oh, we also forgot to mention third place yesterday in this competition that we're at.
I did. I got my big check somewhere. That's what I like. I love getting the big checks. They're fun.
That's awesome.
That was a good. I lost to Chris Ward.
Yeah.
Going in, trying to get to the finals, but I'm okay. Podium's good.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Me in good points. So as long as I do good the second and third round, I have a chance to win the whole season. So.
Yeah. Also, wasn't last year, first round, you got podium also with your old car?
Yes, I did third place last year in my old car.
That's pretty funny.
That's good.
That's pretty cool.
Same class and everything. It was at Cordeal.
Yeah, that's right. It was at Cordeal. So. Normally at this point in the video, I go, "Hey, good luck," but you already podiumed. You've already podiumed, so that's awesome. Well, hey, I appreciate you doing the walk around with me, and if you want, come by the booth. I'll give you some stickers and whatnot.
Yeah, I need to. I saw your booth setup. Actually, I saw it on Instagram. You did that video, or But you got all your merch stuff.
Yeah,
I've been working on that too. I got a little stand for shirts and everything.
Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah.
I
want to see that.
Event June, Caffeine and Octane. I think it's June 13th.
Okay.
They're doing ride-alongs, and I'm signed up for
Really?
that. So I'm gonna take both of my cars. It's at Atlanta Motor Speedway.
Oh, okay.
I'm taking both my cars. I'm
Gotcha.
going to do ride-alongs.
Heck yeah.
Should be cool.
I'll try to make it out to that. I didn't know about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be cool.
So there's a CMD June 12th.
Oh, okay.
And
Okay,
then
yeah.
the next day is Caffeine and Octane.
Oh, really? So CMD Saturday and then Sunday Caffeine Octane?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
So,
Hell yeah.
that'll be good. I'm going to go to both, so I'll have both my cars there Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah, that'll be cool.
Good, because CMD is a competition on the road course that I'm doing.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I went to that last year.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's right. You were there last year.
I was in the media lot.
Yeah, you were in the media lot, and I rode with Emerson in his old car, and I was shooting videos of you guys.
That's right.
Yeah.
Golly. I mean, I've only ridden that Lanier and Ordeal, so.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Yeah, this track is, I don't know how fast we're going. So, I don't know. I rev line 100 in third gear.
Yeah.
So I know we're not doing 100, but it's probably like 80.
Accelerating up to that first entry just in the passenger seat doesn't feel right. You're like, oh god.
Oh yeah,
You're
I
like,
know. It's sketchy when you, like when I rode with Jace, you know, he comes in, Jace was in the 3.
Yeah.
He comes in fast.
Yeah.
I don't realize how fast I'm doing it.
I mean, yeah, you did a little bit on the back straight, and then
Right.
you got to cruise around there, then you started accelerated, and then once you punched it, I was like, oh, we're going now.
Yeah.